If you've been dreaming of making money while you sleep, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into 10 realistic passive income ideas that actually work in 2025. No scams, no hype, just proven ways to build online income streams. 1. Create and sell digital products. Digital products are still one of the most powerful ways to earn passive income. Think of ebooks, Notion templates, digital planners, or design assets. Once you create them, you can sell them 24/7 on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website. In 2025, AI tools like ChatGPT and Canva Pro make designing these products easier than ever, and people are constantly searching for time-saving resources online. 2. Start a YouTube automation channel. You don't even need to show your face to make money on YouTube. Faceless channels using AI voiceovers, stock footage, and storytelling can generate ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate sales. Pick a niche like finance, motivation, or tech, and upload consistently. Once your videos start getting views, that ad revenue keeps coming even while you sleep. 3. Create an online course. People are constantly learning new skills online, and you can turn your expertise into income. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable let you create courses on anything: digital marketing, photography, coding, or even cooking. Once the course is live, it keeps earning money every time someone enrolls. 4. Sell stock photos and videos. If you love photography or videography, upload your work to stock platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Pexels Premium. Every download earns you a commission, and your photos can sell for years without any extra work. 5. Affiliate marketing. This is one of the most popular ways to make passive income online. You promote products you love using unique affiliate links, and earn a commission for every sale. Start with Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Impact Radius. Pair it with a blog, YouTube channel, or TikTok page to boost visibility. 6. Self-publish an ebook. I published my 2 ebooks few years ago. Self-publishing is huge right now. You can write and publish an ebook on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, and earn royalties every month. It doesn't have to be a novel. Guides, how-to books, or niche expertise topics sell incredibly well. 7. Build an app or SaaS tool, if you have coding skills. 8. Print-on-demand stores. With platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Printify, you can design custom t-shirts, mugs, or tote bags. They handle the printing and shipping. You just earn a profit per sale. The best part? You don't need to touch inventory or manage logistics. 9. Dividend stocks and ETFs. If you're into investing, dividend-paying stocks and ETFs are a solid passive income stream. Apps like Robinhood, Webull, or eToro make it easy to invest small amounts and earn regular payouts. It's not a get-rich-quick method, but over time, you can build a portfolio that literally pays you every quarter. 10. Rent out digital real estate, websites and domains. In 2025, online real estate is booming. You can buy and build niche websites that generate income from ads or affiliate links, or even rent out high-traffic domains. Think of it as owning property online, except the rent is coming from clicks instead of tenants. And there you have it, 10 passive income ideas to make money online in 2025. Remember, passive income doesn't mean no work, it means work once, earn for years. So, which one are you going to try first?